So I tackled this project doing a backsplash in the kitchen, and these are 12 by 12 sheets, and they're 2.5 millimeter thick, and it's you get 10 sheets in each pack. So as you see, the backsplash here is looking really good. Like, I absolutely love the way this is turning out. We're just at the very end of it and just gonna finish it up by doing a couple more peels just to kind of show you how the process is done, how it works, and how easy it really is to put these in. And as far as like the feel of this and the texture and everything, it comes out really good. Like, there's not like bubbling or anything like that. The main strategy that we used to put these on was you would just peel back slightly, and then you just, as you can see, just push it in a little bit as you go and pull out the rest of the back peel, and then just make sure and push hard down so it's in and it's not bubbling. And then take off that last protective layer that's on it too. So here's just a quick up close view of them. So now we're at the end and we're just doing some cutting and measuring to get the final piece so it's all aligned with the countertop. You can watch the last ending process, but I really just want to point out that I really enjoy these because they don't have any grout, there's no tools needed, and it really does give a nice new refresh look without all of the hard work to do it. And the backing on them is really strong adhesive, and it's a permanent bond that bonds instantly to the surface. Now, we did clean the wall before we put these on. We just kind of sprayed it, wiped it down, let it dry, and then put everything on. You can use these in so many places. Obviously the kitchen, which is what we're doing, but the bathroom, laundry room, you can put these on RVs. Accent walls is always a good one. There's just really a lot of places and a lot of cool things you can do with these. So lastly, I just want to say I've used this in another area as well, and they last a long time. Sometimes I'm worried about the heat or the splattering from the stove, but I have not had any issues with these. So I definitely think these are well worth it to add to your place.